welcome back into Good Day Kansas. It's time for another Every Mile of Life segment. So of course we're back at Midway Motor, and today we're joined by Jayme Hoover, sales manager. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me.
So today we are talking about, of course, the weather is in our favor. We're getting outdoors. So Every Mile of Life includes the one where we're hitting the road and we're experiencing life outside. So
absolutely. You
guys do so much here to really customize every customer's needs. You just meet them with what you provide them. So tell me a little bit about that.
You know, we have a very experienced and knowledgeable sales staff that is going to go out of their way to actually sit down with you and figure out what it exactly is that you're after, right? Whether that be, you know, going out and getting your first pickup so that you can take your family out fishing, or whether that be, you know, getting that dream Jeep that you've always dreamed of so you can take your top off and go on that sunset drive and actually get out there, or whether it's an SUV, getting in the family and taking your first, you know, summer vacation. But we're not only strictly on the sales side, we obviously have a phenomenal service department that's going to make sure to take care of, you know, making sure that your maintenance is ready so that you can get in that vehicle and go around town, or, you know, get in the vehicle and go across and have the comfort, the confidence that the vehicle will get there for you.
Well, you guys have so many different options. We're actually sitting on one that I love right now. So this is a tailgate, but it's actually made into a seat. There's a cup holder.
This
is awesome, and there are many others. So let's go check out some.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it.
All right, so when we're traveling, there's just always so much stuff, and half the battle is figuring out where to put it.
Sure, absolutely. Whether we're going on vacation or we're going to our sporting events, things like that. Fortunately, with the Ram 1500, they have some great features that actually helps us kind of capitalize on that. One of them is being the tonneau cover that can be added. Okay. And what that does is keep all of your stuff that's inside nice, secure, dry. You don't have to worry about people stealing it. Nice. But what Ram just recently came out with, which is what's called the Ram box. So if you go ahead and push this button right here, and it does lock for you, it actually opens all the way up in there. So there's tons of different things that you can store in there. You know, Jillian, I can only speak for myself, but some of my fondest memories of growing up as a child and still to this day are, you know, piling into my dad's pickup truck with my brother, or getting in my grandpa's vehicle and backing up into the boat and going out and going fishing, you know, and that was a struggle that we always had to deal with, was who's going to stand back there and back dad in into it. Now that's a lot easier to get done with these newer vehicles because a lot of them actually come standard with a backup camera. And I would love the opportunity to kind of show you how to do it and make you back up to the trailer if that's okay.
All right, let's try it.
All right.
All right, so she's on, I'm in park. What do I do now?
Yeah, absolutely. So all you have to do is press your foot on the brake. Okay. And then this actually is the turn dial that'll put it into the transmission. So kick it on reverse. Your touch screen right there displays up there. Okay. And if you notice, you have a center line there that actually is your ball and hitch. So all you got to do is just slowly back up.
Oh my gosh.
Into the boat trailer there. And don't worry, it's a little bit lower, so you're not gonna take out the boat or anything. You're good. So if you notice the green and yellow, that's 3 feet, and the red is actually 1 feet away from wherever you are. So you got plenty. So
Am I off a little?
Keep going. No, you're okay.
Okay.
We probably won't be able to hook all the way up, but you'll be darn close. A little more. Little more. You're okay. And go ahead and stop.
All right, we got the boat hooked up. We got Jayme in the back. We're off, but Jayme, thanks for your time today.
Absolutely. Thank you for driving me out of here.
All right, more from Good Day Kansas when we return.